Hey, are you thinking about starting a career in real estate here in Minnesota? Well, becoming a licensed real estate salesperson could be the perfect opportunity for you. And today we're going to walk through everything you need to know about getting your real estate salesperson license, finding the right real estate school, what you're going to learn, and how to choose the right brokerage to actually start your career. Plus, we're going to talk about how to take your career even further with the potential of earning your broker's license later on. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty, and if you're ready to dive into the real estate world, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any other helpful content, and please feel free to reach out to us with any questions. We're here to guide you every step of the way. So how exactly do you become a licensed real estate salesperson here in Minnesota? Well, to start, you need to meet a few basic requirements. First, you must be 18 years old and have a high school diploma or a GED. These are essential, but they're only the beginning. And you're also going to need to complete a state-approved 90-hour real estate education course. Now, this course is broken into 3 30-hour modules, and it'll cover everything from real estate law to property management and real estate finance. And once you've completed the course, then you're eligible to take the state and national licensing exam. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's talk about how to find the right real estate school for your education. Minnesota has a wide variety of real estate schools, both in person and online, that are approved by the state to offer the required pre-licensing education. A great place to start is by visiting the Minnesota Department of Commerce website, which provides a list of approved schools. You can also ask real estate agents or brokers for their recommendations. And when choosing a real estate school, it's really important to consider your learning style. If you prefer flexible scheduling, maybe an online course might be the best option for you, as you can learn at your own pace and maybe even from home. On the other hand, if you prefer a more structured environment with in-person interactions and the ability to ask questions on the spot, then an in-person course could fit better for you. Many schools also offer hybrid options that combine online learning with some live instruction, giving you really the best of both worlds. Cost is another important factor to consider when choosing a real estate school. Prices for pre-licensing courses can really vary, so be sure to compare tuition rates and find out what's included in that cost. Some schools offer extra resources like exam prep, tutoring, or even job placement assistance, which can make a difference in how well you're prepared for both the licensing exam and your real estate career. Now let's get into what you'll learn during your real estate education. One of the most important subjects covered in the course is real estate law. You'll need to understand the legal principles that govern real estate transactions, such as property ownership, land use, and zoning laws. These are critical because they form the foundation of every real estate deal. And you'll also learn about contracts, how to draft them, interpret, and negotiate them. Skills which will be essential as you work with clients to buy and sell properties. Now, ethics is another cornerstone of real estate education. As a licensed real estate professional, you're going to be held to very high ethical standards by both the state and the National Association of Realtors if you choose to become a member. You'll learn about the importance of acting in your client's best interests, maintaining confidentiality, and avoiding conflicts of interest. Ethical practice is crucial because your reputation as an agent can directly impact your success and the trust your clients place in you. Now, paperwork and forms are also a big part of the real estate process, and your education will cover all of these in detail. You're going to learn how to properly fill out purchase agreements, disclosure forms, and other legal documents that are required in a real estate transaction. And accuracy is really key here because even a small mistake could lead to major issues, delays, or even lawsuits. And understanding paperwork inside and out will really ensure that your transactions go smoothly and protect both you and your clients. You'll also spend a significant amount of time learning about legal do's and don'ts of real estate. This includes knowing what actions you're legally allowed to take as a licensed salesperson and what's outside your scope. For example, you're not allowed to give legal advice unless you're a licensed attorney, and you need to be careful not to misrepresent properties or make false claims. This course will help you navigate the complex legal landscape of real estate, ensuring that you stay compliant with Minnesota laws and avoid those costly mistakes. Another critical area of focus is fair housing laws. You're going to learn about federal, state, and local regulations that protect against discrimination in housing. This means understanding how to treat all clients fairly and equally, regardless of their race, religion, gender, and other protected characteristics. Violating fair housing laws can result in severe penalties, so it's crucial to know these regulations inside and out. And now once you've completed the course, the next step is passing the exam. The Minnesota Real Estate exam is split into two parts, the national portion and the state-specific portion. And both of these sections require a passing score. But don't worry, while the exam can be challenging, if you've completed your pre-licensing coursework and taken the time to study, you're going to be very well prepared. Now, after passing, you're on your way to getting your salesperson license. But hold on, before you can actually officially start selling homes, there's one more step. You must place your license with a licensed Minnesota real estate broker to legally conduct real estate business here. This is one of the most important decisions you're going to make early in your real estate career because the brokerage you choose will have a direct impact on your growth, support, and overall success. So how do you find the best brokerage to match your career goals and your personal needs? The first thing to consider when choosing a brokerage is their reputation and their market presence in your area. Are they well known and respected in your area? Do they have a track record of success? And beyond that, think about the level of training and mentorship they offer. As a new agent, you'll benefit from joining a brokerage that provides strong, hands-on support and guidance. Now, some brokerages focus more on experienced agents, while others really excel in nurturing new talent. Next, evaluate the commission structure. Some brokerages offer higher commission splits, but they may provide less in terms of resources and support, while others may take a larger portion of the commission, but they provide really excellent tools, marketing assistance, and lead generation systems that can help you build your business faster. So it's important to find a balance that aligns with your financial goals and the level of support that you're looking for. Culture is another key factor when choosing the right brokerage. Does the brokerage have a collaborative, team-oriented environment, or do they expect you to work more independently? Some agents really thrive in that competitive, high-energy atmosphere, while others really prefer a more supportive and cooperative setting. So spend some time talking with current agents in the office to get a feel really for that brokerage's culture before you actually make your decision. Now, for those of you that have your salesperson license and have gained some experience, you might be thinking about taking the next step, getting your real estate broker's license. Well, in Minnesota, the requirements for becoming a licensed broker are a bit more rigorous. First, you must have held an active real estate license for at least 3 years within the past 5 years. And during that time, you should have been actively involved in real estate transactions to build up your experience. In addition to the experience requirement, you're going to need to complete another 30 hours of broker-specific real estate education. Now, this course covers more advanced topics like brokerage management, agency relationships, and more real estate law. And once you've completed the education requirements, yes, you'll need to again pass a Minnesota broker licensing exam, which is really similar to the salesperson exam, but focuses more on brokerage operations and more legal responsibilities. Earning your broker's license gives you more control over your real estate career, and as a broker, you can choose to work independently or even start up your own brokerage. So this opens up opportunities for higher income and the potential to mentor new agents as they begin their careers. It's a big responsibility, but it can also be incredibly rewarding if you're passionate about real estate and you want to take your business to the next level. In summary, becoming a licensed real estate agent in Minnesota is a process that requires dedication, education, and smart career decisions. Once you've earned your license, choosing the right brokerage is essential to your success. And with time and experience, advancing to a broker's license can really open up even more possibilities in your real estate career. If you'd like to know more about how to become a licensed real estate agent here in Minnesota, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. And please follow us on all of our socials. And if you liked this video, then please make sure to hit that like button down below and click on our boxes on the screen to see our other videos too. And if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and we'll make sure to address all of those. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. We love what we do and we want you to love what you do too. So thanks again for watching, and I'll make sure to see you in the next video.